Hey guys, and welcome back to plumbingpartspro.com. Today we're going to show you what's inside a commercial grade kitchen faucet and how to rebuild it. So check out the video coming up next. Okay, so here we go with this commercial grade 3-compartment style kitchen sink faucet. This is typically what you'll see in restaurants and other commercial properties. In order to make a repair for this, what you have to do is cut the water off. So you either cut the water off at the building, or sometimes they'll have screwdriver slots in the bottom, like T&S Brass. That manufacturer typically has screwdriver slots in the bottom. Here's a valve body for an old T&S one. You can kind of see that here. This is the valve body upside down. You can unscrew those or tighten those up. It'll cut the water off just to the faucet. This particular one here does not have them, so we'd have to cut the water off to the building. And what we'll do is we'll take a screwdriver, remove the handle, set this over the side so we don't lose it. And then we want to take this large nut off. Not really the small nut on top, which is the packing nut. You want to grab the large nut at the bottom. Since it is chrome, typically you would use like a large crescent wrench, a smooth jawed pipe wrench, or a pair of pliers. I'll put links in the description for those smooth jaw wrenches to make it easier so you don't ding it up. Right here I've got just a basic set of pliers. We'll make our adjustment here and screw this counterclockwise. It's still a little tight. Just continue to unscrew that. Okay, and that nut is loose. That will come off and pull this out. Okay. Sometimes you'll get the stem will screw out by itself, and this barrel will stay in the valve, kind of like this. And then what you'll have to do is kind of pry this little barrel out. Sometimes it's a little awkward. There we go, it gets that barrel out. And then you'd replace it with a new stem kit. Completely brand new, all new parts, new barrel, new nut, new stem, and this just drops in place. Drop this in place. Make sure you get these splined grooves, especially on the T&S Brass brand. Those grooves are inside here, so you want to get that down in those grooves and then tighten this down. There we go. And then you tighten that up clockwise until it's snug. Don't want to over tighten it. And then reinstall the handle and screw. And you're pretty much done. And then you'll repeat that process on the opposite side. Now every brand is a little bit different. Most of your T&S Brass ones have this style stem in it. I'll put links in the bottom below of the different stems. You've also got Chicago Faucet Company and Fisher. There's Crown. So I'll put some links for some stems down below so you can click on that and check it out. If you have any questions, comment down below. And I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks a lot.